Yeah, so guys, to buy 4MW tokens on Pancakeswap Finance, you need BNB Smart Chain, you need 4MW contract address, and you need good internet service. So to buy 4MW tokens, all you have to do is visit pancakeswap.finance on MetaMask, SafePal, Trust Wallet, IM Token Wallet, or any cryptocurrency dapp wallet of your choice. Then you connect wallet. After connecting your wallet, you select the trade pair. For me, I am buying 4MW tokens with BUSD. So you select BUSD token and then you paste the 4MW contract address. After doing that, you enter the amount of 4MW token you are willing to buy. For this practice, I'll be buying $5 worth of 4MW token. So after selecting your trade pair, you click on swap. Then you confirm swap. Sign the transaction. Click on add 4MW to MetaMask. As you can see, the sale is complete. Simple steps, quick and easy. Hello guys, to buy 4MW as well on Bakeryswap.org, it is the same process. You get your 4MW contract address, you get your BNB or BUSD on Binance Smart Chain network, and then you get internet service. You can likewise use SafePal, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Token Pocket, IM Token Wallet, or any cryptocurrency dapp wallet of your choice. After going to bakeryswap.org, then you connect your wallet. After connecting your wallet, you set up your swap pair. I'll be buying with BUSD, so you choose BUSD. Paste the 4MW contract address, click on add, and then you enter the amount that you are willing to buy. This is my first time using Bakeryswap, so I have to approve BUSD first. When you approve BUSD, it gives Bakeryswap.org the permission to spend or receive BUSD while you make trades on the platform. Click on approve and then wait for the transaction to be completed. The speed and timings of completed transaction depends on the BSC network. Now that the BUSD is approved, then you can swap BUSD to 4MW tokens. You confirm the transaction. Like I mentioned earlier, it depends on Binance Smart Chain network. So there you go, the transaction is complete. Don't forget to protect your seed phrase. Have a good day.